Okay, ayan. So, good morning, grade 10.
Morning.
Siya yata. Good morning, grade 10.
Magandang
Morning po.
Okay, ayan. So, our lesson for today is all about remainder, factor theorem. So, last time, uy, kumayos ka. Responding, wait lang. Ayan. So, last time, we have just tackled the synthetic division and division algorithm. So, ang pinakamadali dyan na method ay si synthetic division kasi pwede mong gamitin kay remainder theorem. So, sa remainder theorem naman, ayan. So, you are just finding the remainder. So, ang sabi niya, kung ano yung remainder niya, or kung ano yung natira or yung dulo, that would be the remainder. Kung ay mag-synthetic ka or mag-division algorithm ka. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, yung divisor natin is yung C. Okay, the polynomial C. Para makuha natin si remainder. And it is a real number. Okay, ayan. So, dito naman tayo ngayon kay factor theorem. So, we all know that if the remainder is 0, then the polynomial f of x is divided by x minus c. Then, there is an exact division. So, ibig sabihin, ang sabi niya dito, kung nag-0 si remainder, ibig sabihin, it is a perfect divisor. So, divisible siya kay divisor. Okay? So, it is the exact division. So, when there is an exact division, the divisor is a factor of the dividend. So, basta kapag nag-0 yan, it is a factor of the dividend. So, pag sinabi natin factor, it is one of the numbers or expressions na pwede mong gamitin in order for you to get the perfect or exact division. Ayan. So, for example, we have this one. So, determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of the function of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 14x minus 8. So, using the factor theorem, so ang gagawin lang daw natin is parang sa remainder theorem lang din. Okay? So, kapag nag-0 siya, ibig sabihin, it is a factor. So, let's try. So, ang gagawin na natin is to substitute. Parang ginagawa sa remainder theorem. Okay? So, gamitin mo natin si factor theorem. So, we have 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 14x minus 8. Ayan. So, this is the f of x. Ayan. So, ang divisor natin, ang hinahanap natin if this x minus 2 is a factor or not. Okay. So, ang gagawin lang dito, spotlight. Okay, ayan. So, let's check if this is a factor of this or not. So, using the factor theorem muna tayo. So, using the factor theorem, ang gagawin lang is to substitute. So, kung meron tayong negative 2, anong gagamitin natin? An idea? So, kapag meron tayong negative 2 dito, kapag nilipat mo, ang gagamitin natin ay? Yes, Emil? Anong gagamitin natin? Anong gagamitin natin na number? We have, so if this is negative, ang gagamitin natin ay positive 2. Nakalimutan nyo na ata. So kapag may positive 2 tayo, lahat ng x, papalitan mo ng positive 2. So this would be 2 cube plus 5, mali pala, 5, 2 squared minus 14 times 2 minus 8. And then, you're just going to solve this. So, 2 cube. So, 2 times 2 times 2. That would be 8. Tama? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Tama. Plus 5 times 4 minus 28 minus 8. Ayan. So 2 times 8, that would be 14 plus 5 times 4 is 20 minus 28 minus 8. So 14 plus 20, that would be 34 minus 28 minus 8. Okay. So 34 minus 28 is 6 minus 8. So this is negative 2. Ayan. Ba't parang may mali? Ano ba yun? Ano? Ayun pala. Hindi pala 14. 16 pala to. But this would be 36. Ayan. So this would be 8. And this would be 0. Ayan. So, basta kapag nag-0 ito, ibig sabihin, it is a factor. So, ganun lang siya. Kapag nag-0, it is a factor. Nakuha? Hello?
Hi.
Diyan pa kayo?
Yes.
Yes.
Naintindihan ba?
Hello, Sai. Opo.
sir.
Ako naririnig. Ako naririnig. Gets na ba?
Yes.
Opo.
Okay. Okay, basta nag-0 siya, it is a factor. Okay, so let's try to have another example. So, gamitin natin is factor theorem na lang. So, let's try. Ito. So, determine if x plus 5 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 29x plus 30. Ayan. So, gamitin lang natin ulit to using the factor theorem. So, itong 5 na to, gagamitin lang natin siya. So, sa synthetic division naman tayo. Ayan. So, mas madali naman siya. So, 5. Ang gagawin mo natin sa 5? Magiging, if it is positive 5, magiging? Magiging negative 5. So, kunin natin to. 1, negative 2, negative 29, and 30. Ayan. So, anong gagawin natin using synthetic division? So, bring down the first term. So, that is 1. So, 1 times negative 5. 1 times negative 5.
Negative 5.
That is negative 5. And then add negative 2 plus negative 5.
Negative 7.
That would be negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 5. Ha? That would be
Positive 35.
positive 35. So, 35 minus 29. That would be 6. Tama?
Sir.
So, 6 times negative 5. That would be negative 30. So, 30 minus 30, that would be 0. So, dahil nag-0 siya, is it a factor or not?
It's a factor.
It's a factor. Factor.
Factor.
Yes, sir. Factor.
It's a factor. Oh, sige. Gusto nyo yan eh. Let's try to have another example. So that is synthetic division. Paano naman pag ginamitan natin to ng factor theorem? So ang gagamitin natin is negative 5. So this would be f of negative 5 is equal to negative 5 raised to 3 or cube minus 2 times negative 5 squared minus 29 minus 5 plus 30. So another method ito. So negative 5 times, raised to 3 or cube. So that would be negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Negative 25 times negative 5 is positive. This is positive pala. So this would be negative 125. Tama ba? Yes. That would be negative 125. And then, if this is 25 times 2, that would be negative 50 or minus 50. Plus 29 times negative 5 or 29 times 5. 29 times 5, that would be 45. It's 95. Tama ba?
No, sir.
Plus 30. So negative 125 minus 50 is negative 175 plus 95 plus 30. So negative 175 plus 95, that's 125. Mali na naman.
Negative 50, sir.
Ha?
Negative 50, sir.
Ano negative 50? Ano daw?
Negative 175 plus 125 is negative 50.
Hindi pa. 75 ba to? O, tama naman. Parang mali na naman tayo.
Tama naman, sir.
Tama ba?
Ba't kayo nagdududa sa sarili nyo?
Hindi nga, dapat magsisiro to eh.
Hindi ginawa namin. Si Jello nag-ano sa... Hindi, sir. Tapos ako nag... Negative 2 times negative 5 muna sa kanya.
Tama naman. Nangyari. Tama naman.
Sir!
Oh!
Groupings muna bago exponent.
Ano?
Nasa labas naman. Groupings muna, sir. I-times mo muna yung negative 2. Negative 2 tsaka negative 5.
Hindi exponent muna Magulo ka din eh.
Nasa labas yung exponent.
Hindi exponent yan dito.
Tingnan naman yung tingnan.
Langya ka. Ayan. I think mali tayo ng compute dito. Hindi ko nga. Tama ba yung pagkakalipat? Tama naman. Makita eh. Positive, negative. This is negative 125 minus 50. Positive. Ko sa factor theorem na to. Ako isabog na. Palitan natin ng given. Palitan natin ng given. Nakakalito siya. Mas madali talaga synthetic division eh. Okay, ayan. Synthetic division. Okay, so let's try to find if it is a factor or not. Ito. F of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. So let's try if x minus 1 is a factor or not. Siyempre, synthetic division na lang tayo. Hindi, pwede rin naman. Doon natin sa factor theorem, na-intriga ako sa factor theorem bakit mali kanina. Hindi ko matanggap. So if this is negative 1, so that would be positive 1. So we have 2 1 cubed plus 3, 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, that is 2 plus 1 times 1 is 1 times 3, that is 3, minus 6 plus 1. Ayan, so 2 plus 3, that would be 5, minus 6 plus 1. So 5 minus 6 is negative 1 plus 1. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Factor siya, hindi. Kaya na lang. So that is a factor. Okay. Ayan. So gets na ba? Basta, you can use factor theorem, you can use synthetic division. So synthetic tayo, tingnan natin. So synthetic division. Ayan, sa SD. We have positive 1, we have 2, 3, negative 6, and 1. So bring down 2, that would be 2, that would be 5, this would be 5. So it's negative 1, that is positive 1. Diba? I mean negative 1 pala. So that is 0. Ayan. Synthetic na lang kayo. Mas madali, diba? So you can use any method in solving if it is a factor or not. So you can use...
Pero, pwedeng synthetic na lang.
Pwedeng synthetic na lang. Pero pwede rin naman factor theorem. Okay? Kasi merong mga mas madaling gawin kapag factor theorem. Meron din naman yung sa synthetic division.
Pareho ba yung sagot pag synthetic?
Yes, dapat parehas lang sila. Pero I don't know kanina, parang iba yung pagkakakompute ko.
Parang ibang sir.
Baka mali yung yung nasulat ko kanina. Okay. Sir, nawala ang internet. Ayan. So, naintindihan na ba? Ayan. I-PM nyo na ako for your nabunot. And then, gawa tayo ng thread sa Edmodo para alam natin kung ano yung mga wishlist. Okay? So, doon na lang sa Edmodo yung wishlist natin.
I-PM namin sa inyo, sir, yung wishlist namin.
Ha?
I-PM namin yung wishlist namin.
Nina, kasi hindi naman ako nakabunot sa inyo eh. Diba? Para makita na lang mamaya. So, tignan nyo na lang doon sa Edmodo yung mga wishlist. Okay.